Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. I am Camilo Lim from Major of Medicine, Faculty of Medicine, Universitas Airlangga, and in this moment I'm going to talk about SDG number 7, the affordable and clean energy, specifically solar energy. Before entering the topic of solar energy, we should know first the definition of clean energy. Clean energy is a type of energy that brings no emission to the environment. And there are many kinds of clean energy, such as solar energy, wind energy, or geothermal energy. In this short speech, I define energy as electrical energy and not the other kinds of energy, such as mechanical energy, kinetic energy, or potential energy. So solar energy is a kind of energy that comes from the sun itself in form of sunlight, or in a more fancier way to say, in form of electromagnetic wave. Sunlight consists of photons or electromagnetic waves that have some specific energy in it depends on its wavelength and its frequency. In other words, producing solar energy is simply just harnessing energy from electromagnetic wave. If we can harness the solar energy massively and efficiently, we can rely solely on solar energy as our source of energy. In Indonesia, daily consumption of energy is about 600 million kilowatt hours. And in a shiny day, the radiation from the sun that strikes the earth, or in another word, the solar constant is 1,400 watt per square meters. By assuming that the power plant only working 6 hours a day due to limitation of the maximum sunlight, we may find the area that is needed to fulfill the demand of energy in Indonesia is about 71 square kilometers. Imagine an area smaller than Surabaya city could fulfill the demand of energy in Indonesia. It's amazing, isn't it? But it's not that easy to say because there are many limitations. The first one, the tool limitation. So there are no tools that have 100% efficiency to harness energy from the environment, including the tool to harness the solar energy. If there is a tool that have an efficiency more than 100%, that tool is violating the second law of thermodynamics. Or in another word, that 71 kilometer that I've said earlier is only if the tool is perfect and there is 6 hours a day of bright sunlight. And the second limitation is the weather. All of us cannot guarantee that every day is shiny and bright. It may be cloudy or maybe even rainy. And if the condition is cloudy or rainy, we cannot, the radiation that we feel from the surface of the earth is not 1,400 square kilometers. It may be less than that. And the third limitation is cost. It needs huge amount of money or to build a solar power plant. But for long-term use, the cost may be smaller or even cheaper than the conventional power plant. In conclusion, there is a big potential for using solar energy as a main source of energy, but there are also many difficulties and many limitations in doing that. The government should allocate more money to build solar power plants and to give more money into research fund to find a device that can harness solar energy more efficiently. That's all from me. Thank you for your attention.